A very important point to recognize about punctuated equilibria is that it is testable. Indeed, all scientific theories must be testable. As Gould and Eldredge stated in their 1977 paper on punctuated equilibrium, it would be a sad commentary indeed on the status of paleontology if so basic an item as the probability distribution of evolutionary tempos could not be reasonably inferred from the fossil record. Gould and Eldredge proposed two basic strategies for testing punctuated equilibrium. One, to examine individual cases of species that were well preserved over a range of time and geography. And two, to devise more general tests based on features of entire clades or communities. Gould and Eldredge looked to their own work and to the work of others in paleontology to support their theory. For example, Gould and Eldredge used their research on trilobites and snails. This highlights the importance of paleontology to testing theories of evolution in general, and punctuated equilibrium in particular. However, Gould and Eldredge did not just look to fossils and past life forms. They also looked ahead towards genetics and modern organisms as a way to test their theory. For instance, genetics can be used to reconstruct phylogenetic trees and look at how much genetic divergence occurred at speciation as opposed to the interval after speciation. Several studies have provided important validation for punctuated equilibrium by showing that genetic divergence tends to be concentrated at speciation instead of after it transpires. When testing scientific theories, we don't always find the answers we want. Eldredge and Gould had many critics who did not want to look at evidence for punctuated equilibrium because they were so entrenched in the idea of phyletic gradualism. It's important to remember that science is about discovery and that an open mind is required when it comes to thinking about punctuated equilibrium and any idea, be it new or entrenched.